Guys, welcome back to Svelto Performance. Today it's all about rims and tires for the GTV 2000 commission build. Let's get started. All right, guys, and here you go. We'll get closer in to look at them, but just wanted to stop for a second and talk about it. So we've got all the four rims on. We've got our tires put on. Those are 205 50-15s. Yes, 205 50-15s. And we're waiting on the lug nuts to come in. Those will be in tomorrow, but I've got two on each one. They're just sitting there. We're not rolling the car or anything. It's definitely got to be lowered, as you can see here, and we're working on that. I'll show you all the stuff that we have to make that happen. That's the next project. Well, really, there's multiple projects going on at the same time. So here you go. Let's walk over here, and then we'll go on the other side of the car. The other side will show, I've got one of the flares on, so you'll be able to see that. But here we go. I mean, these guys just look beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. And I'll tell you here, I love the center cap. It pops off, but it's engraved in. It's hard to see. There we go. It's engraved in here. Absolutely beautiful. Let me step back out. There we go. It'll focus in. There we go. And so, yes, so we're gonna bring her down some, and we're gonna be cutting the fenders and putting the flares on. So that's definitely coming. You can see here, it's done a good job kind of getting tucked in a little bit underneath that. It's still kind of wide. And then, of course, the front, she really sticks out. So again, we're gonna come through here and cut and lower the car, and that will be a wrap on the suspension and tires. These are Camujo here, and then again, let me find the size of it. Let's go back over here. There we go. So 205 50-15s. 205 50-15s, and these are Camujo. I should have already known that. They're PA 31s here. There we go, PA 31s. All right, let's walk on the other side. You'll see wires hanging down. That's all for fuel injection stuff. Another project. And then here we go. So let's get over here. So as you can see, this, the flare's just loosely up there with tape. It'll be bonded into the car. It's going to be seamless. It's going to look really good. But as you can see, it is tucked in nicely. We'll come over here. There we go. It'll be tucked in, and then again, right, we're gonna cut the fender down, and they're not positioned 100%. So I'll try to step back without killing me. They're not positioned 100%. They've got to kind of go that way a little bit more. It's not perfect yet, but just as a placeholder, I thought we would stick it up there to see it. And then here's the other rear here, and there you go. So I honestly believe this brushed bronze just looks amazing. And what we're gonna do with the chrome or the polished lip here for the wheel, and these are two-piece wheels, as you can kind of see. We're gonna polish out the chrome. We're gonna probably do like a brushed nickel. So we're gonna have a couple of different styles going on. And of course, we're gonna get rid of this. Gas caps can go up top, but wanted to show you a quick video. We'll go walk around the other side again. Let's move over here. There we go. Just a quick video on the new tires and everything we got on. It took a while to design these rims the way I wanted them designed. I mean, it's the standard GTAM wheel, but being able to put on these center caps and the brushed aluminum, making them two-piece, or the brushed bronze and making them two-piece was kind of unique. So just can't wait to get this car on the road. This GTV 2000 commission is just going to be amazing when it's done. You won't even recognize it when it's finished, but there you have it. So let's go ahead and just wrap up. I just wanted to show you the rims themselves so you can see them. I think they just absolutely look gorgeous. And then when we We're gonna repaint the whole car again. That's single stage paint. We're gonna strip it back down and paint it again and do clear. So multiple coats of both base and clear is gonna go on it. And then we're gonna have it also PPF'd from front to back as well. So, but there you have it. So let's wrap this thing up so you can get on with your day. All right, guys. Again, really appreciate you following along on this commission here. The GTV 2000 is going to be beautiful when we're done. It's going to have a lot of modern technology in it, but not too much, but it's going to look beautiful. I mean, we got the seats. I love the seats. Then now, move over this way. The rims, I think the rims are coming together. The doors are still at our body shop. We're doing the integrated door handles, so they're, that's gonna be flush mounted to the car, to the door itself, and they'll be painted the body color, which is the Verde Pinot. And then hopefully we'll get those back in the next few days, maybe a week or so, and then at least put them on, line them up, and see how well they open and stuff from the outside. Lots of work to do on those doors still. So anyway, just wanted to send out another quick video, an update to what's going on before the Christmas, for Christmas rolls in next week. So again, appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell. And I want to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas. And I hope you have a great Christmas time and New Year's. Spend time with your family. That's what this is about. All right, guys, till the next video, God bless.